Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be creating a professional WordPress website without spending a dime. So if you stick around on this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this and get it possible. So I will be teaching you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this free web hosting that is going to publish your website, whether you have a business website that you want to create and you don't have the money to buy the hosting and the domain at that point, but you can still use this free domain and hosting to put your website on live, like upload it on the live server so people can be able to reach out on your website and see what you really do. So this video is going to help you cut costs and also help you learn how to create websites. Instead of you spending so much money to buy a domain name or host, at least you use that one to master your hand and know how to create websites, so you can be able to advance in buying domain names and hosting it yourself. So the platform that we're going to use for this tutorial is called InfinityFree here. So this is InfinityFree. This is the platform we're going to use. So InfinityFree, it's a free web hosting company that supports that hosts WordPress for free, and it supports PHP and MySQL. So we're going to click on this. Going to click on this now, and once you click on it, you'll see this landing page. You can go through the landing page and see what they do and get more understanding on what they do. So what we need to do now is to go on register. So we're going to register with our Gmail. We're going to register with our Gmail. So we'll wait for this to verify, and then we'll click verify that I am a human being. So we'll click on sign up with Gmail, sign up with Google. I'm going to say continue with this, continue with this, continue. Oh, they said the email is already registered here, so we're going to use a different email here. We're going to use a different email. Okay, I think we should just log in. Let's see. Let's log in. Let's log in the email. So we'll have to wait for this to verify. Okay, I'll click on this now and click on login with Google. What's going on? Alright, I think it's not working. I need to use my GitHub. I need to use my GitHub profile to sign up on this. So I'm going to wait for this to verify. Click on it. Sign up with GitHub. So now we're signing up with GitHub. Signing up with GitHub. Authorize. Okay, now we have an account. Right now we have an account here. So once you created your accounts, this is where this is where they're going to land you. This is your dashboard area here. You have your profile, you have your hosting accounts, your SSL certificates, website builder, domain checker, so and so on and so forth. So what we are going to do now is to create our first account, which is here, your account, no accounts yet. So you're going to create your first account by clicking on this. Also, you're going to be seeing a lot of ads because you're on a free web hosting company. So they will ask you to choose your plan here. You can see they have starter premium. They have sorry, I should start with the free one. They have the free one here, InfinityFree. This is like forever, so you have like 5 GB data space, and then unlimited bandwidth, unlimited hosted domain. But here you don't have email access, you don't have cPanel control, you don't have unlimited hits, PHP version selection, you don't have it. You don't have a lot of things here. But if you check on the paid area, you see that you have one hosted domain, one email account, then all this one that wasn't marked here, it's marked for you. So, but in this tutorial, we're not actually looking at paying for this. We are actually looking at the free version of this. So we want to use the free version of it to master our hand and learn how to navigate around WordPress, so we can be able to create a professional website like we talked about from the beginning. So we're going to click on create now. So please confirm that you are human. So we're going to wait for this to verify. I know most of you will get tired of this, but this is what you get when you are using a free version of things, but it's worth waiting for. At least you can use it to practice. So we'll click on this. Now we're going to use a name, which is let's say class touch, and we'll check the visibility of the name. Okay. So account label, website for class touch.great site.net. So this is the subdomain name. They already generated account username for us. This is our password, and please select. Okay, I approve. We'll check our password. Let's see. This is the password they generated for us, and what we're going to do here is to click on create account. So we're going to wait for this account to create. So this is our cPanel on this. This is our cPanel. This is our cPanel here. This is our cPanel. So over here you can use the file manager, you can use the website builder, you can also install scripts on this area. So over here we're going to control panel because we want to use WordPress. So you click on this control panel area. It should to actually this to use I approve. So you get to see that the cPanel area is actually very different. It's not like the one you used to see when you buy a domain name and host it in a company that is not free. So this is for the free version of this class. That's why we're using this kind of cPanel. So I'm going to show you the difference between the paid cPanel and the not paid cPanel. You can see that I'm logging into the cPanel here. I'm logging into the cPanel here. So if you click on this, you're going to see it in a different way. This is the paid cPanel. This is how it looks like. This is how the paid cPanel looks like. And this is the free cPanel. This is the free cPanel. This is how we look like. So they have a lot of difference. You see how this looks like? And see how this looks like. So that is, by the way, what we're going to do here is for us to head down to our Softaculous app installer, which is here. Click on it. We're going to install a WordPress on this subdomain that we just created right now. So what we're going to do here is to click on install WordPress. You can see they have a lot of apps that you can install on the subdomain. But our target here is just to install WordPress. And we're going to apply admin, and add our password. So after doing that, you can choose to change your site name, your site description, but we'll leave it like that because this is a tutorial video for you to know that you can be able to get something like this, like for you to know that you have a platform that offers free web hosting that you don't have to spend a dime on. So we're going to click on install. So clicking on install, we're going to allow the WordPress to install. It takes like 3 to 4 minutes, but we'll just have to chill and wait for it. Okay, our website, our WordPress has installed successfully. So we're going to check out the WordPress by clicking on a new tab and then opening it up. So you can see that you have a live website. Someone can actually go on this link, this URL, and check whatever you're doing out without you spending money at all. So we'll go back to the Softaculous and we're going to check our administrative URL. So we're going to click on it. Why it's going to take us to our WordPress dashboard, which is here. So if you've been following me on this video, you see how the step-by-step guide is going. And also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever we're dropping awesome videos just like this. Thank you guys. So going back to the class, so this is our WordPress dashboard now. In this dashboard, we can be able to upload premium themes. Also, I made a video where you can get premium themes for free. You don't have to pay any money to that. So you can also use that video, get a premium theme, and then test run what we're doing here to see if it's going to work out very well for you. So over here, we can update our WordPress to be the latest version. Let's see. update to the latest version. Oh wow, so we actually updated this version to WordPress version 6.8.2. So what we're going to do now is for us to check out the post, if there is any post there, because there should be a post like this hello world. We don't need it. We're going to take it off and move to trash. Okay, we are going to move this to trash because we don't need it. After that, we're going to check on our pages. So we get to see that you have this unwanted pages here. We're going to move them to trash because we don't need them. Also, we're going to check on our plugins. You get to see that we have these unwanted plugins here that we need to delete from this dashboard. So now over here we have the very clean slate here. We don't have any posts, we don't have pages, we don't have plugins. So what we're going to do now is for us to start afresh to get what we want. First, on our first plugin, what we're going to use here, we're going to install theme first. So the theme we're going to use for this tutorial is called Blocksy. As you can see here, we don't have any theme here. This is like a demo theme. This is 2023, this is 2024, this is 2025. And these themes, we cannot use them to do anything. So we're going to add new theme. Click on add theme. So clicking on this area, we're going to look for a theme called Blocksy. Blocksy. Oh, okay. Blocksy. Sorry, S is supposed to be there, and then Y. So this is it. This is the theme we are going to install for this tutorial. So we're going to click on install and then click on activate. So on this Blocksy theme, it has its own plugin that comes with it. So we're going to click on this. You're going to see this notification while you are installing it. Thanks for installing Blocksy. You rock. Okay, so we're going to click on this install Blocksy companion. So we'll click on it. So we're going to allow this to load up. It will take you to this area. Taking you to this area now, you get to see the home area. You can customize your color option, typography option, your header option, your footer option, your blog option, your post option, your pages. So you have a lot of things to do here. But before you do that, you need to install a template before you can be able to edit the header. You can actually create a full website from scratch with Blocksy if you want, but if you don't want to create that, if you want a template, you can equally go to this starter site, and over here you get to see that they have premium templates here and they have free templates too. They have free templates, and here so you can um you can click the one you want. If you want to see just the free templates, you can just click on it. It will show you all the free templates. And then here you can go on categories to check and select the kind of templates you want. So if we are thinking of creating an e-commerce website, so we'll just go to e-commerce and you get to see e-commerce website that is available for you to use for free. They are all for free. You're not paying a dime for it. It's already created. You just have to do some editing with the text or the pictures or whatever you want to do on it. So over here, before you can install this or import this template, you can also preview to see how it looks like. So we're going to this gadget template now to see how it looks like. So imagine making something like this for a client and getting paid. Imagine making something like this for a client and getting paid. You did not do so much job, it's just to change informations, just to remove this information and add the real information, remove the logo and add the brand logo for the person you're creating for. So I think we're going to use this for this tutorial. So we'll go back here and click on import. So if they're asking you to install a child theme, if you want, if you don't want, you can skip it, but I need a child theme. So I'll click on that and click on next. So here they will ask you which page builder do you want to use for this website. So over here we are always using Elementor because Gutenberg is somehow complicated, I mean to say. So we go for Elementor here and click next. So here is the plugins that is coming with this template. So you have to install them on your WordPress dashboard. So we'll click on next, click on install. So we're going to wait for this to install. After installing, then we're going to import the template. So they're importing the contents for us right now. You can see that here. You can see that. So we're going to wait for it to complete the installation so we can view our website. Right now we have like 80%. I think they are importing the content. Okay, the final touches. All right. So our starter site has been imported successfully. So what we're going to do now, you can either customize it right now or you visit the website to see how it looks like. So we're going to look at this website to see how it looks like. All right. So this is our website. It's customizable from here. If you want to do that right now, you can easily just click on edit with Elementor. You click on this. It will automatically take you to Elementor page. All right, your site doesn't have a default kit. Okay, so what we're going to do now, seems like your kit was deleted. Please create a new one or try restoring it from trash. Okay, we're going to recreate. Click on this. We're going to recreate kit and save. So what we're going to do here is to go back to our pages and then click home. Just click let's say edit. So you know all these things we're doing now, we're using a free web hosting to do this. Have it in mind that we're using a free web hosting to do this. It's free, you're not paying a dime for it. So over here, you click on edit and it will take you to this area. So what you do now is to click on edit with Elementor. So after clicking on edit with Elementor, it will bring you here. This is the homepage of this wonderful website. So all you need to do is for you to click on these containers so you can be able to edit this website. So each containers that you click on contains an item, either a text editor or a text heading. So for you, what you need to do is just for you to re-edit. Once you click on here, it will open the area for you to edit. You can see iPhone 12 Pro. You can re-edit it to any other thing you want to edit. Also, you can go back to the dashboard. You can go on this starter site, and if you don't like this template that you installed, you can get a new template installed on the website. So let's try this restaurant template. Let's see. So right now we're going to wait for it to install. Wait for it to install. After installing, we can now check it out. Let's wait for it to install. After that, we can now check it out to see how it looks like. And for you to also know that you can be able to re-edit the templates that you just installed on your WordPress dashboard. So we're on final touches now. Okay, so the import was successful. So let's visit the website and see how it looks like. Remember, we imported a gadget website before. Now we imported a new website called the restaurant website, which is this one. So you see how it looks like. See how sleeky it looks like. So over here, if we want to re-edit this area, we can click on edit with Elementor again. So while we are waiting for it to boot up, I need to say something about this. I need to say something about this. If you want to do a professional business, I think it's much better for you to get a professional domain name, like a customized name for your business. So it will be more easier for clients to look you up with your business name and then get to see you immediately. Because if you use this, it doesn't come up on the search engine immediately. You will have to copy this link and send to your clients. But if you have a business name, we can help you integrate it, add SEO, search engine optimization, so it will be more faster for your clients to search for you on the internet. So over here, we're going to click on this container. On this container, it's already here. We're going to click on style. So this style, this is where the image is. We're going to change this image to something else. I think we're going to upload this time. We're going to upload this. Let's see how it looks like. Let's see. Okay, we're going to upload this. And let's view it. So you see how beautiful and slicky this website is already looking. It looks very slicky. It looks very, 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 very beautiful. You see? So if we publish this thing, this editing now that we did here, you get to see how this website will look. You see how beautiful it will look either on your phone. Let's publish it first. Let's see. You see how beautiful it looks either on your phone. Let's go on mobile view. See how it looks on mobile view. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. It's a desktop view. Very, very beautiful. So this is how you can create a website with free web hosting that is called InfinityFree. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please smash on the notification bell so you'll be notified after being subscribed to our channel. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.